Ooh, ooh, ooh. Good afternoon. What are you doing? Sleep on the floor. Get off the floor.
Nope.
Mr. Cash, register man, don't you know you have a problem with this young man sleeping on the floor of your store?
Hey man, don't bring Jeremy to this. Me and him are cool, right, Jeremy?
Mm-hmm.
See, we're practically best friends. So it's fine for me to sleep on this floor.
Get off the floor.
Nope.
Fine. Looks like I'm gonna have to bring in the dogs.
Bark. Bark, bark. Bark, 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 bark.
Stop it.
Bark, bark.
Stop.
Bark. Bark. Bark.
You better stop
Bark,
it.
bark, bark. Bark, bark, bark.
Bark.
That's it. You're in trouble now.
911, what's your emergency?
Yeah, there's a man here disturbing my sleep
Uh-huh.
time.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
Alright.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. I'll just call myself.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you. Have a good
Thank
day.
Yeah, you too. Okay, buddy, police will be here in a few seconds to arrest you.
They're gonna arrest me? Son, I have been in the force for 4 years. My papa has taught me the rights and the wrongs of this job, so I find it highly unlikely that I, an officer, will be arrested for— You disappoint me, kiddo. Papa, what did I tell you about disturbing others' nap time? Isn't that what you taught me to do? That's it. Ice cream for dinner. No, Papa, I'm sorry. Over.
Finally, peace and quiet. Me.